Welcome back, everybody. This is the Storybee Phonics series. My name is Erin, and today we're learning about the letter R. The words we're learning today are rug, rice, ring, roof, and raspberry. Garlic and tomato are our special guests. This is the letter R. It makes the sound R. Using the R sound, this is a rug. Rugs are soft floor coverings. R. This is rice. Rice is a staple food in many cultures. Rice. This is a ring. Rings are typically worn on the fingers as jewelry. They can sometimes represent commitment or love. Ring. This is a roof. Roofs protect people from the outside elements. Roof. And this is a raspberry. It's a type of berry that is sweet and tart. Raspberry. Now let's play a game. Which word does not belong? Is it rug, garlic, rice, ring, roof, or raspberry? That's right, it's the garlic. Great work. Let's play again. Which word does not fit with the others? Is it rug, tomato, rice, ring, roof, or raspberry? Great work, it's the tomato. Now let's play another game. Can you find the rug? Good job, this is the rug. Now, can you find the bowl of rice? Great job, this is the rice. Let's do it again. Which one is the ring? Yes, this is the ring. Good job. Now, point to the roof. Great work. This is the roof. For our last one, find the raspberry. Good job, you found the delicious raspberry. Now repeat after me one more time all the words we've learned. Rug, rice, ring, roof, raspberry. Great job. Follow along at storybee.space. I will see you on the next one.